Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know it is time to clean your EGR passage? If you have never cleaned out your EGR and your engine is running poorly and you have a lot of miles, there's a good chance that the EGR passage is full of carbon buildup. Carbon buildup can cause your EGR to be stuck in the open position or stuck in the closed position. So what you want to do is you want to clean out your EGR so your engine can run better. How do you know it is time to clean out your EGR? Here are the symptoms. When your EGR passage is clogged, and again, if it's stuck in an open position or in a closed position, you're going to notice rough idle, you're going to notice low idle, you're going to notice erratic idle, your engine might ping under load, you're going to get poor gas mileage, you're going to feel smog, you might notice knocking noises, and overall, poor engine performance. In addition, if the EGR is failing, it can trigger the check engine light, and you're going to get EGR codes for P0400 to P048, and so on. There are two different types of EGR. You're going to have the mechanical one and the electronic one. The mechanical EGR is going to be vacuum operated, and there's going to be a diaphragm. And when you have the electronic EGR, it's going to use a solenoid and a stepper motor, and it is going to be controlled by the engine control module. If you have a mechanical EGR like this one, you want to make sure that you check the connection, you want to check the rubber part, and you want to make sure that it is not torn or cracked. Also, you want to remove it and you want to pinch it, and also you want to check for cracks. If you have an electronic EGR, you want to check the connection. The connection is fine and you're getting EGR codes, then most likely, again, the solenoid might be bad or the stepper motor might be bad. Is it important to clean out the EGR? And the answer is, it depends. I have seen so many different engines, and some engines run so efficient that rarely the EGR gets clogged. And I have seen some engine that it runs so poorly and the design is so poor that the EGR tends to clog every single 120,000 miles or more. What happens when you clean out your EGR passage? The first thing you're going to notice is that you're going to get better gas mileage. And number two, your engine is going to idle better. And number three, you're going to get better engine performance overall. And number four, if the check engine light is on and you're getting EGR codes and you clean out your passage and now your EGR is working better, maybe the check engine light is going to go away and the EGR codes as well. How do you clean out the EGR passage? You could use carburetor cleaner, you could use throttle body cleaner, you could even use brake cleaner, and you can spray it inside the EGR passage, and you can use a sharp rag and you can clean it out that way. You can also use a wire brush and you can just stick it in there and clean out the carbon buildup. And if you don't have a wire brush, you could also use a baby bottle brush and you can just stick it in there and you can clean it out that way as well. I hope you found this lesson informative. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.